Okay, hello. This video is gonna be a little raw, just kind of. It's 3:11 a.m. and I don't, I just, I can't sleep, so you know, 'cause all this quarantine shit just kind of putting me out of the loop. So, earlier I had been recommended that I cover Knockback and Raycasting for the melee combat, so I'll do that real fast. This will be a short video. Uh, I'll make sure to put a link somewhere in the previous. Okay, so let's grab this. I already have it pre-made here, but I want to show you what to change if you already have the script. So as you can see, we have all this stuff right here. We can just move this, we can close that. So now this is our main script here. And we're just gonna... No editing for this one, I'm sorry. Alright, so we're in here. We have what we had earlier. Let's get rid of this. And for the for I comma v in pairs, let's do if v is not equal to nil, then now v doesn't exist right now, but we'll take care of that in a second. What we're gonna want to do is we're going to make our array. So to the array, let's do local r equals Jesus. Okay, array.new do c.humanoid root part dot p or position, comma c.humanoid root part dot c frame dot look vector, and let's do like 6, I guess. I mean, here, a second, let's mess with some stuff. Okay. So an array, you start with you start from here, and something's opening. Oh my god. Alright, so here we have, it starts from here. This will be our main position, and this is the direction we look. As you can see, I had cframe.lookVector, which is where the cframe of the humanoid root part's facing. And we multiply it by 6. Now for v, we'll do local v is equal to workspace, colon, find part on array. And let's do, first you have to put the array, and then comma, what you're ignoring. So let's just put C, because that is our character. And then, when we play, it should indeed work. Confirmed, as the mighty Twigo would say. What is wrong with me? Yep, as you can see, it is array instead. Now, the thing about rays is it's super precise. So as you can see, just that little sliver, it will not hit, even if your arm kind of grazes. So make sure that's what I don't like about rays. It's super precise, but all the cool kids use it apparently. Anyways, that's rays. Now, people who want to knock back, it's really simple actually. So we're gonna create a new space down here. Let's do local bv equals instance.new body velocity, and we'll just put it in the part that we have. You can also do like v.parent.humanoid root part or some crap, but for me, bv the velocity or max force. Now the max force, I've seen people do this a lot. They do math.huge, math.huge, math.huge. That's just no. So because that could like fling into cut problems. So 25,000, and then bv.velocity will be c.humanoid root part at the c frame, and we're gonna do the look vector again, and this time we're gonna do like 20. Now we don't want this body velocity to last forever, so we'll do game.debris add item bv, and let's do like 0.3 for now, I guess. Yeah, and then just make sure these aren't anchored. God forbid they are anchored. They are anchored. Let's unanchor them so we can at least see them move. And then as we go in to do our combat, shall push them back by the mighty force of our fists. As you can see, it now has knockback. Push back. Yep, that's pretty much it. I mean, this is only 1.5. It's not like 2 yet. For 2 I planned, I'm thinking about it. Maybe I'll make like for every single, because I guess some dude was like, my god, my broski, 40 minutes still long as shit. It's like, okay, alright. So I guess 20-minute videos. So maybe 10, 15. I think we could knock everything out in 15 minutes per episode. Maybe a topic for each. Yeah. So what I believe is, what I'll do is, for every type of melee move I can think ever possible, everything cool and fun and dandy, everything, no, not complex. I'll do stuff like blocking and all that too. Maybe I'll do that first, and then I'll get to like the cool moves, like, I don't know, like barrage attacks or like AoE attack and stuff like that. But yeah, I'll probably just, for every single move, I'll make it their own video, and maybe it'll be like, one day it's like grabs, or one day it's like barrage, or another day it's homing attack. I don't know. You get the idea. But until then, I hope this helped. It's covered up anything people want to see. Now we have Raycast and Knockback. Oh yeah. I'll leave the code in this place, which I'll leave in the description. This place I leave open for all my tutorials. Everything I make, I'll put in here. Telekinesis was not part of the tutorial. I don't know why it's in here, but I'll leave it there anyway. And yeah, thank you for watching. It's not heartfelt, that sound. Alright, goodbye. I'm literally just gonna straight up upload this. Alright, goodbye.